Oh, here comes a military jet. The same, right by Jupiter. See? I think those are military jets. There's 3 of them. Well, shit, get that out of there. I wonder if they knew what the hell was going on or had something to do with it. With that flashing laser beam, whatever it was. Look at that. I wonder if they're all military jets, or one of them isn't, maybe. What the hell is that other thing flashing? I don't know if there's 1 military jet or 3. Now they got up in the clouds. See, there's Jupiter. That's where the light was flashing about 20 minutes ago, 15, 20 minutes ago. It's not flashing no more, as you can see. No lights flashing. Nothing in the sky. No store lights flashing or nothing like that in the sky. Those things just came by. I could still hear them, but I can't see them anymore. And they came by the same general direction. I wonder if they had something to do with it.